Welcome back, Riverside. I'm Max Garcia.
I'm Trey Green. Hey, Max.
Guess what?
In
Season 2?
I believe it starts right now.
Starting off on ENA today, we have the Rock Parade. Congratulations to all the Rocks who have finally graduated the Rock Cycle.
Yep, that's one of the greatest moments of your RMA experience. Next up, we have Words of Wisdom with our chaplain, Tim Cummings.
Moving on, we got First Dates with Michael Poteet.
I'm Jashai Dabney,
And I'm Isaac Teasley.
and this is Riverside Athletics. Isaac, tell us a little bit about the cross-country team today.
The cross-country team has been doing great. They went to Jackal Islands and had a few other meets around Hall County. They're looking to bring in over 1,000 runners today for their own home meet. Tell me a little bit about how the football team has been doing.
The football team has been doing okay so far. They look to take on the 4-0 Prince Avenue Wolverines this Friday. This is one of the best teams in our region and our state, so we look forward to getting the dub.
Morning, Riverside. Coach Cummings, just give you a little thought today. One of the things that impressed me about Senator McCain when he passed away was the fact that he did not want to be buried in Arlington, which he certainly was entitled to be. He wanted to be buried where he went to school. He wanted to be buried at the Naval Academy. Why? He wanted to be buried next to his best friend. And I thought about that in our context, how important friendships are, how important love your neighbor, love thy neighbor is in the scripture, how important it is for people to make good friendships and to have each other's back and to take care of each other, and how that Senator McCain, years and years really after his friend had died, he said, that's where I want to rest. Just a little thought to think about today. Thank you.
Who was it with? Who was the first person you've ever gone on a date with? What was her name?
You know, her name was Emily.
I gotta say names?
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, honey, I hope you're not watching this. Her name is Rachel.
This girl named Cameron.
Yeah, so for her birthday, I actually took her to a Mexican restaurant.
Oh,
Went to an Orioles game.
We went to this place called No Mas Cantina Grill, like a Mexican grill. It's in downtown Atlanta.
did it end up working later on?
No, sir, not at all.
No.
They did not.
Did you pay or did she pay? What was it?
Nah, I paid for everything.
Yeah, I paid for everything. Like a
Um,
real man. Like a real man supposed to.
Thank you for tuning in to our first episode of Season 2.
And make sure you tune in next time on
ENN.